Okay, here's a quick overview of the machine. It's a Haas DM-2. It's a mid-2018 model. It's got enclosure exhaust. There's the table probe, P-Cool, 15K spindle. There's the work probe on the standard things that come with the control. The manuals for the probe are back here. Moving around the machine this way, this is the mechanicals cabinet in there. And give me 1 second. This is the electronics cabinet. There's the standard and through spindle 300 psi pumps. That's all the standard stuff that comes with a machine. The chip basket, auger, the chip auger, and I didn't do it in the last video, but I think it's going to make me close this to turn on the auger. Yeah, it's hard to hear. There you go. Okay, here's a quick video showing the table moving around. There's the P-Cool moving up and down the Z-axis. Here's a tool change. And then here's the spindle at a couple of RPMs across the range. This is 500 RPM. 5,000 RPMs. And 15,000 RPMs.